No, it should be a subdirectory of the site, right? You want to take advantage of your total domain authority from a search, but you just need to think about the titles. And this is where you've just got to get out of the idea of thinking about blogs as this singular thing. It's blogs. If you think about it, I use the analogy of email again. If I want to send you the perfect email, I'm going to use Outlook, right? We have this meeting, we discussed it, I can deliver the perfect message using Outlook. If I want to target one term, or maybe a tight handful of terms, I'll use something like WordPress or Blogger, right? And I can create a blog for one or two terms if I keep it very, very narrow and specific. If I want to send an email to all of you, I've got to use a tool, right? I've got to use ExactTarget or Constant Contact or Responses or one of Acxiom's many, many wonderful tools. Thank you, sponsor. You know, it's the same thing here. If you want to target lots and lots of people, lots and lots of keyword terms, you've got to start thinking of blogs plurally. So you take the H.H. Gregg, they have stores in 20 or 30 different geographies. They've identified 150 terms that they tag with geography. Digital camera Atlanta, digital camera Milwaukee, digital camera Birmingham, digital camera Charlotte. Because the search engine, if you're sitting in Charlotte making a search for digital camera, it wants to find the perfect digital camera page that's in Charlotte, right? When you're thinking about local, think about using not just addresses and phone numbers, which the search engines look for, but think about the slang, North Side, South Side, the Bowery, Soma or Soho. You know, I can never keep up with all the neighborhoods here, but a lot of people will be set with their address thinking that's good enough, but you got to use the language that people are using. So. I don't know if that answers your question or not. Other thoughts?